One thing about Miss Hot Topic Mihlali Ndamase is that her work ethic is impeccable, you guys. This young, beautiful lady is absolutely good at what she does. Miss Mihlali Ndamase was seen rubbing shoulders with Rihanna herself at a Fenty Beauty event. This was hosted actually by Rihanna in Los Angeles, in LA. So it was obviously an international trip for Mihlali Ndamase, and they were launching a lift foundation. So it's basically a new foundation or a new range within their makeup company, if I can put it in that way. But guys, I must say, Mihlali Ndamase is absolutely good at what she does, and she was seen rubbing shoulders with Rihanna, and it was not something where she was, you know, taking a picture of Rihanna from far. She was taking a picture with Rihanna like shoulder to shoulder. Rihanna recognizes her basically. And I think it's such a big thing, guys, especially for a big makeup brand like Fenty Beauty, for Mihlali Ndamase to receive a special specific invite that is huge, and it's a big deal, guys. And there's a lot of things that is said about Mihlali Ndamase, but one thing we must give to her, guys, is that she's absolutely good at what she does. She looks so gorgeous. Even the dress that she chose to wear, she looks so gorgeous. Some people were even saying that she looks better than the host herself, Miss Rihanna. But anyway, guys, please do type your congratulation messages in the comment section down below. You know what? We wish Miss Mihlali Ndamase all the best in this beauty industry. May she continue to rise the South African flag even higher onto different countries or onto the utmost ends of the world. Please do like the video and please do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.